See, once again, we are going to start our session. The topic is the same. So, almost crude basics related to mole concept. Yesterday we discussed. Based on the basics of mole concept, based on the relations of mole concept, and we worked out some problems also, small numericals. Yes, as a part of that, today also we will work out few numericals about the mole mass relation. What is that? About the mole mass relation. About this, actually yesterday I did not announce the topic. Without announcing, I explained you or I gave you some set of problems. Okay, anyhow, under this mole mass relation, write a numerical, write a problem. Calculate the total number of NO stands for number of calculate the total number of atoms present in 21 grams of lithium. Calculate the total number of atoms present in 21 grams of lithium. 21 grams of lithium. Don't forget, lithium is a metal. Lithium is an alkali metal. Whatever it may be, it is a metal. Its atomicity is 1. So, whenever lithium is written in free state, we write only Li. That means its atomicity is 1. Lithium is equals to 1 atomicity. Okay, by that time, one more hint is atomic weight of lithium is equals to molecular weight of lithium. Both are same. Atomic weight of lithium is equals to molecular weight of lithium. Both are same. These are the hints to solve this numerical, to solve this problem. Lithium is a metal. Its atomicity is 1. Because of its atomicity is 1, its atomic weight is equals to molecular weight. See, what is the given mass? How many grams of lithium is given? You have to understand. So, what is the answer? Have you solved it?
24 moles of lithium.
21 grams of lithium. 21 grams of lithium. Okay. So, you have to know what is the mass number of lithium first of all. Mass number of lithium is equals to atomic weight of lithium, that is equals to molecular weight of lithium. Mass number nu meeru find out cheyali. So, what is the mass number of lithium? Say 7. So, the solution of the numerical, we know that mass number of lithium, mass number of Li is equals to 7 grams. How many grams? 7 grams. Okay. Now we have to find how many grams of lithium is given. So, what is the given weight of lithium? What is the given weight of lithium? 21 grams. Okay. Given weight of lithium. See, what is the problem is based on mole and mass relation. Mole and mass relation. Given weight of lithium is equals to 21 grams. That is equals to how many moles? That is equals to how many moles? If you solve this if you find it, then automatically you can approach the answer. See, 21 grams of lithium is equal to how many moles of lithium? How many moles of lithium? So, there is a formula. Number of moles, small n is equals to, see what is the formula? Number of moles, small n is equals to given weight upon gram molecular weight. Given weight upon gram molecular weight. Yes, what is the given weight in the numerical? How many grams of lithium is given? 21 grams of lithium is given. And what is the molecular weight of lithium? 7 grams. See, molecular weight of lithium is equal to atomic weight of lithium, that is equal to 7 grams. So, 21 by 7, that is equals to 3 moles. 3 moles of lithium we have obtained. Now you need to calculate. Now you can easily calculate the total number of atoms. Okay. So therefore total number of atoms of lithium is equals to, what is the formula? Total number of atoms of lithium, or total number of atoms formula is number of moles into Avogadro number. Number of moles into Avogadro number. See, total number of atoms of any element is equals to number of moles of the substance into Avogadro number. So now you can calculate what is the number of moles? 3. Avogadro number 023 into 10 to the power of 20. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 0 3 6 are 18 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of lithium. Arthamaindamma? Have you understood? Right. Note down it. See, what is asked in the problem? Calculate the total number of atoms present in this many grams of lithium. See, question is demanding the relation between number of atoms and mass. Okay, but to solve this, to solve the problem, first of all you have to find the relation between mass and moles. Then only you can easily solve it. Number of moles find out cheyakapote, it is not possible to calculate the total number of atoms. Okay. See, ee logic nu miss avaddu. Should not miss this logic. Question is demanding the relation between number of atoms and mass. Okay, to crack this question, to crack this problem, you have to find the relation between mass and mole. That's all. When you find the relation between mass and mole, if you find how many moles of substance is given, then automatically you can find the total number of atoms. The relation is total number of atoms of any substance is equals to number of moles of the substance into Avogadro number. Completed, ma? Right? Okay. Next, write another numerical. See a small, what is that called? మీకు చాలా సిమిలర్గా అనిపించవచ్చు. Even though the problem is very little, Lilliput, but gives you somewhat trouble. I am sure about that. Right. Calculate the total number of lithium molecules in 21 grams of lithium. Calculate the total number of lithium molecules in 21 grams of lithium. Listen carefully once again. Calculate the total number of lithium molecules in 21 grams of lithium. Hint, please write the hint. Atomicity of lithium is 1. That is the hint. Atomicity of lithium is 1. So whenever atomicity is 1, atomic weight is equals to molecular weight. అర్థమైందా? Whenever atomicity is 1 for any element, for any substance, then atomic weight is equals to molecular weight. Once again listen carefully. Atomicity 1 means, nana vinali, one molecule consists of one element. One element itself is called, one atom itself is called one molecule. ఒక మాలిక్యూల్లో ఒకే ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంటే then its atomicity is said to be 1. By that time, atomic weight is equal to molecular weight. Number of atoms is equals to, చెప్పండి, atomic weight is equals to molecular weight. Number of atoms is equals to number of molecules. One side I am taking atomic weight, on the other hand I am making it equal molecular weight. By that time, number of atoms is equals to number of molecules. So same amount of lithium was given, 21 grams. whichever the number of atoms you found in this problem, in the previous problem, that is the answer. అర్థమైందా? అర్థం కాకపోతే చెప్పండి. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ. ఏనా?
దాంట్లో మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి కనుక్కోండి.
యా, number of molecules of the calculate the total number of, see, just my second problem is this one. Your second problem is calculate the, this is the first problem. Second problem, total number of molecules. Ante, that is what slightly changed. Instead of atoms, in molecules icham. In how many grams of lithium? 21 grams of lithium. Amount of substance is not changed. And it is a mono, its atomicity is 1. One atom is equal to 1 molecule. Number of atoms is equals to number of molecules. Atomic weight is equals to molecular weight. Got my point? Arthamainda? Alright. You know? Right, ma. Right, write another problem. Slightly we are, see, from this problem onwards, we are stepping or we are switching over to compound molecules, not element molecules, compound molecules చూద్దాం చిన్న చిన్నది. Okay? So, I will tell you, mass number of water, that is water molecule, no, please don't mind, that is its molecular weight. Mass number of water, that is its molecular weight, is 18 grams. Is 18 grams. Find the total number of atoms present in the given mass, of water. Find the total number of atoms present in the given mass of water. See, first of all, the very crucial step and very crucial but very, very simple. The first you have to know what is the formula of water. So you know what is the formula of water? What is the formula of water? H2O, right? So H2O. So H2O molecular weight is equals to how many grams? 18 grams. We know this, all the basic things. Okay. So now what I am asking, there are how many total number of atoms of total means both hydrogen and oxygen. Total number of atoms present in 18 grams of water. 18 grams of water. Its molecular weight is 18 grams. For any substance, whether it is element molecule or it is compound molecule, for any substance, its molecular weight is equals to 1 mole. Okay? For any substance, whether it is element molecule or compound molecule, molecular weight is equals to 1 mole. 1 mole of that substance. అంటే మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ తీసుకున్నామంటే 1 మోల్ ఆఫ్ ద సబ్స్టెన్స్ తీసుకున్నామని అర్థం. అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 మోల్ వాటర్ తీసుకున్నాను నేను. ఓకే, 18 grams ఆఫ్ గివెన్ దట్ 18 grams of H2O means 1 mole of H2O. Okay, in 1 mole of H2O, say మోల్ను ప్రక్కన పెడదాం, ఒక్క మాలిక్యూల్ తీసుకోండి. జస్ట్ let us consider only one molecule of water. In 1 molecule of water, how many atoms of hydrogen are present? 1 molecule of water. In 1 molecule of water, 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen is present. And then 1 mole of water. 1 mole of water. That means how many molecules will be there? In 1 mole of water, how many water molecules will be there? Cheppandi. In 1 mole of water, how many water molecules will be there? One molecule means one molecule, but 1 mole means, say loudly, Avogadro number of 1 mole means Avogadro number means how much it is? 0.23 into 10 to the power of 23. That means 18 grams of, see, in a very basic approach, through a very basic approach I am going. Given that 18 grams of H2O means 1 mole of water. Okay, 1 mole of water is equals to Avogadro number of H2O molecules. See, Avogadro number means what? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 H2O molecules. Okay, see, one H2O molecule consists of 2 hydrogens, but 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 H2O molecules consist of double kada. Okay, see, one water molecule consists of 1 atom of oxygen. 1 molecule of water, 1 atom of oxygen. Koncham vinallanna. 1 molecule of water, 1 atom of oxygen. But 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of oxygen. 1 is 1. Chudu, oka molecule ku oka atom. 1 mole of molecules ku 1 mole of atoms. Evi oxygen atoms. That means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23, that is Avogadro number, that is equal to 1 mole. Okay, H2O molecules, that is equals to, see, same number of oxygen atoms, double the number of hydrogen atoms. Same number of oxygen atoms, ante kada. ఎన్నైతే తీసుకున్నామో ఒక మాలిక్యూల్ తీసుకుంటే ఒక ఆక్సిజన్ ఆటమ్, ఇన్ని మాలిక్యూల్స్ తీసుకుంటే అన్ని ఆక్సిజన్ ఆటమ్స్. ఓకే, సో సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atoms. Let me write name, oxygen atoms. Okay, then double the number of hydrogen. Double the number of hydrogen means 2 times of, 2 times means see, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros 0, 2 6 are 12, 4 6 into 10 to the power of, power is not going to be changed now, 23 hydrogen atoms. So altogether how much more? Just add cheyandi, 18. Okay, 639,246.0.18. 18.069 into 10 to the power of 23. See, whenever powers are same, then only we can add. Otherwise, okay, it cannot be, those cannot be added. So 18.069 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Out of them, 2 parts water, 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. That's all. Note down this. చేద్దాం, ఇంకా కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేద్దాం. See, this is based on the mole mass relation. First of all, you have to convert given mass into moles. Okay, that is the crude logic, basic logic. Given mass nu moles lo convert cheyandi. And 18 grams, okay, same, you can apply the same formula, suppose previous formula. What is the number of moles? Number of moles is equals to given weight by gram molecular weight. What is the given weight? 18 grams. Gram molecular weight 18 grams is equal to how many moles? 1 mole. That is what? Then straight away the molecular weight kabatti 1 mole anna meeku. Okay, I have given in terms of hint. Nenu hint ga ichchanu kabatti meer cheyalsina avasaram ledhu. Leda you need to do it. First of all, you have to convert given mass into moles. Thereafter, you can find the relation between number of moles and number of atoms or number of molecules. నోట్ చేయండి. దీంట్లోనే కొన్ని లాజికల్ టిప్స్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. చూడడానికి ప్రాబ్లం చాలా ఇన్నోసెంట్గా ఉన్నా, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ వన్, ఇటువంటివి దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ basic problems. Right, ma. See, write a line from the from the above, or in 18 grams of water, in 18 grams of water, how many moles of hydrogen molecules present? In 18 grams of water, how many moles of hydrogen molecules present? చూడండి, కొంచెం ట్విస్ట్, చాలా ప్లెయిన్గా ఉంది. ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఆన్ ద బోర్డ్, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ యువర్ మైండ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఆన్సర్. మీరు స్ట్రైట్ అవే ఆన్సర్ను తీసుకోలేరు, బట్ ఆల్ ద క్లూస్ ఆర్ దేర్. సి, ఇన్ ద 18 grams of water only I have given 18 grams is equals to 1 mole. 1 mole means how many molecules will be there? Very good, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23, or Avogadro number of molecules are there. But which molecules those are? Water molecules. But which I have asked? Hydrogen molecule. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, molecule. See, hydrogen atom means, if you just listen or write hydrogen atom, it is equal to 1H. Hydrogen molecule means H2, because atomicity of hydrogen is 2. Okay, hydrogen atom అంటే ఒకటే, hydrogen molecule అంటే H2. చెప్పున్నానా? What is the answer? Okay, 12.046 into 10 to the power of 23. అవి ఆటమ్స్ కదా, నేను మాలిక్యూల్స్లో అడిగాను. చెప్పాను కదా, అన్ని క్లూస్ ఉన్నాయి, కానీ మీరు డెఫినెట్గా మీ మైండ్ యూస్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. మాలిక్యూల్స్ కావాలన్నా చిన్న లాజిక్, కానీ చిటికలో చెప్పను, చిన్న లాజిక్ అనే చెప్పను, మీరు ఆలోచించాలి. సి, మాలిక్యూల్ అంటే H2ను తీసుకోవాలన్న, హెచ్ను తీసుకోకూడదు. ఓకే, సి, వన్ సింపుల్గా చూడండి, 1 molecule ఆఫ్ H2O, 1 molecule మీన్స్ 1 molecule ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్. అంటే H2గా తీసుకుంటే 1 molecule కదా, 1 molecule ఆఫ్ H2O, 1 molecule ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్. సో 1 mole ఆఫ్ H2O, 1 mole ఆఫ్ molecules ఆఫ్ hydrogen. Write that answer. 18 grams of water is equal to 1 mole of water. You have to write this one first. 18 grams of water is equals to 1 mole of water. Right. One H2O molecule consists of 1 molecule of hydrogen. 1 molecule of hydrogen. Then 1 mole of H2O. 1 mole of H2O is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of H2O. 1 mole of H2O, that is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of H2O consist of 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 H2 molecules. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 H2 molecules. Okay? అర్థమైందా? చెప్పండి. If you have not understood, I will just apply the another approach. Is it okay? మొహమాటానికి అయితే వద్దుమ్మా, మీరు అర్థమైతేనే చెప్పండి. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. కెన్ యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ మాలిక్యులర్ మాస్? మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తారా? వచ్చా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడం? ఓకే, అదర్వైజ్ I will tell you. Molecular weight I will tell you. See, molecular weight of a substance is equals to 1 mole of the substance. Our present topic, mole mass relation. So once again, write in the middle of the page. Molecular weight of a substance. Molecular weight. Just add a small word ma. Gram molecular weight. Ante molecular weight kanna mundu gram raayandi. Gram molecular weight of a substance. Gram molecular weight of a substance is equals to 1 mole of the substance. 1 mole of the substance. 1 mole of the substance. So it has to be kept in box. Ee relation box lo pettandi. Right. Now write the problem. Calculate the total number of atoms. Calculate the total number of atoms present present in 100 grams of CaCO3 calcium carbonate, 100 grams of CaCO3. Calculate the total number of atoms present in 100 grams of CaCO3. 100 grams. I have already given you clue, ma. Gram molecular weight I have given. Okay? Gram molecular weight. చెప్తా అది కూడా ఇస్తాను, జస్ట్ రైట్ హింట్ రాసుకోండి. GMW of CaCO3 is equal to 100 grams. 100 grams. See here. How to calculate? I just briefly go through it. CaCO3. See, mass number of calcium is 40. Mass number of calcium is 40 grams. Mass number of carbon is 12 grams. Mass number of oxygen is 16 grams. 16. How many atoms are there? 3 atoms are there. Means 16 3s are 48. That means 40 plus 12, 52. 52 plus 48, 100 grams. This is the method of calculation of mass number. Hope you might have known this method. Okay, ఇది mass number ను calculate చేయడం. Right? So I have given 100 gram of, that means this 100 gram is equals to GMW of CaCO3. Okay, that means I have given how much amount of calcium carbonate? First mole mass relation, 1 mole of calcium carbonate. Okay, so given that 1 mole of calcium carbonate. So formula is there, na? See, number of moles is equals to given weight by gram molecular weight. What is the given weight? 100. Gram molecular weight 100, that is equals to 1 mole. This is the right trial way to find the number of moles, whatever it may be. Okay, so number of moles, but I have given you clue. Without doing it, I have straight away given to you clue, that is its gram molecular weight is 100 grams annanu. Okay, so gram molecular weight of a substance is equal to 1 mole of the substance. 1 mole of the substance. That means given that 1 mole of CaCO3. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి లాజిక్. ఒక్క మాలిక్యూల్ తీసుకోండి. Just take a molecule. See, in 1 molecule of CaCO3, 1 molecule of CaCO3, 1 atom of calcium is present, 1 atom of carbon is present, and 3 atoms of oxygen is present. See, if 1 molecule is there, 1 atom of calcium, 1 atom of carbon, 3 atoms of oxygen. 1 mole of substance means how many molecules? 1 mole is equals to, okay, Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 CaCO3 molecules. Okay, in 1 molecule 1 calcium atom is present. In these many molecules equal number of calcium atoms will be there, na? అంతే కదా, ఒక మాలిక్యూల్లో ఒక కాల్షియం ఆటం ఉంటే 1 mole ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్లో 1 mole ఆఫ్ కాల్షియం ఆటమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో నంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాల్షియం ఆటమ్స్ is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Then number of carbon atoms, number of carbon C atoms, how many? Because of 1 molecule contain 1 carbon, then 1 mole of molecules will contain 1 mole of carbon. That is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Then the number of oxygen atoms, number of oxygen atoms, చెప్పండి, number of oxygen atoms, that's all. Okay, so 3 times more, 3 times of Avogadro number. So it is just 1 time of Avogadro number. It is also 1 time of Avogadro number, but in case of oxygen 3 times of Avogadro number, isn't it? So because of 1 molecule contain 3 atoms of oxygen, 1 mole of molecules will contain 3 moles of atoms of oxygen, isn't it? Right. So 3 moles is nothing but 18.069 into 10 to the power of 23. పవర్స్ అన్ని ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో what it becomes ma? This is 12.046. Add change. One is 12.046, another one is 18.069, 15, 11, 1, 10. So 30.115 ma? Isn't it? 30.115. That is equals to, therefore, total number of atoms in 100 grams of CaCO3 is equals to 30.115 into 10 to the power of 23, right? So this is the answer. So in that way, not only in element molecules but also in compound molecules it was asked. కాంపౌండ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్లో కూడా మంచి చూడ్డానికి టాపిక్ చాలా చిన్నదిగా ఇన్నోసెంట్గా అనిపిస్తుంది. ఈవెన్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ లెవెల్లో కూడా ఒక యాజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆప్షన్స్, నాట్ ద ఎంటైర్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ నాట్ బి బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్, యాజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆప్షన్స్. ఓకే, ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ని యూజ్ చేసుకుని ఎయిదర్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథ్స్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఎక్కడో ఒక చోట మీకు క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఒక నీట్ మెయిన్ లెవెల్ అయితే డెఫినెట్గా దీని మీద తిప్పించి మళ్ళించి ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాడు. Definitely, yesterday I told gram atom, gram molecule is very important. Students get confused. Gram ante oka gram anukuntaru. That is the main target of the paper set. 1 gram atom means student will feel 1 gram of the substance. But it is the misconception. 1 gram atom is equal to 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms. Kada? Have you noted down it? So let me summarize the total mole concept up to mole mass relation. అన్ని రిలేషన్స్ రాద్దాం, లేదా ఒక 2 న్యూమరికల్స్ ఇస్తాను, మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, నేను డిక్టేట్ చేస్తాను, రాసుకోండి ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్. సి ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్, ఓన్లీ టు మేక్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఇట్స్ మై ఇంటెన్షన్. అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్, ఇట్ కెన్ బి డన్ మైండ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్. 100 grams అంటే 1 mole, 3 times of oxygen, 1 time of calcium, 1 time of carbon, అంతే కదా, రైట్. GMW of, write another numerical, GMW of sulfuric acid, GMW of sulfuric acid, GMW of sulfuric acid, (98 grams), 98 grams. Find the number of oxygen atoms. Find the number of oxygen atoms. Find the number of oxygen atoms present in 49 grams of H2SO4. In 49 grams of H2SO4. Mole mass relation. Don't forget. Okay? In my explanation, at the beginning, basic approach నేను డెఫినెట్గా ఇస్తాను. అంటే బేసిక్గా ఏం చేయాలి ఫర్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, సో ఐ కెన్ ప్రొవైడ్ యూ వాట్ ఇనిషియల్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఆన్ సీయింగ్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. సో ఇది చేయాలి మీరు. ఏంటి, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ ద గివెన్ మాస్ అండ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్. అంటే వాట్ ఎవర్ ద అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ సల్ఫ్యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈస్ గివెన్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ ఇట్ ఇంటూ మోల్స్. మోల్స్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా టు కన్వర్ట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్? Number of moles of H2SO4 in this question, in this problem, given weight by gram molecular weight. What is the given weight? Given weight ma 49 grams. What is the gram molecular weight? 98 grams. I have given you clue meeku nenu ichanu. So 1 sir 2 sir, that is 1/2 moles, that is equals to 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles. ఇప్పుడు లాజిక్ చూడండి. See, one molecule, just one molecule, I am going through one molecule of H2SO4. One molecule of H2SO4 contains how many atoms of oxygen? 4. One molecule of H2SO4, 4 atoms of oxygen. 4 atoms of oxygen. Okay, one molecule of H2SO4. Then how many molecules? How many molecules of substance is given? 0.5 molecules. 0.5. That means half molecule. Okay, so when one molecule contains 4 atoms, okay, when one molecule contains 4 atoms, 1 mole of molecule contains 1 mole of molecules of H2SO4 contains 4 times of Avogadro number. 4 times of Avogadro number. That is 4 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 oxygen atoms. But did we get 1 mole of sulfuric acid? Did we have 1 mole of sulfuric acid in the given problem? How many moles of sulfuric acid is given? Half mole is given, not 1 mole. How many moles is given? Half moles. By that time, therefore, half mole of molecules of sulfuric acid, that is equals to 4 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 by 2. Okay? Then what it becomes, ma? The totally 2 ones are 2 2s are 12.046 into 10 to the power of 23, that is equal to 2 times of Avogadro number. Ante kada? 2 times of Avogadro number. Ante one molecule consists of 4 atoms of oxygen. See the logic. And 1 mole of molecules will consist of 4 moles of oxygen atoms. But 1 mole of substance is not given to us. Only half mole of substance is given. According to that, in 1 mole 4 moles of oxygen atoms, in half mole 2 moles of oxygen atoms. Okay? Ala mind calculation cheyochu. Ante if you become thorough, no need to by heart or no need to practice much. Just you can do it mind calculation. You can solve it through mind calculation. Ala just calculate chesi solve cheseyochu. Idi arthamaindamma? అంటే నేనేం చెప్తున్నానంటే సో హౌ మెనీ ఆటమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఈజ్ ప్రెజెంట్ ఇన్ 49 grams of H2SO4 అన్నాను. సి ఐ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ఆక్సిజన్, నాట్ ప్యూర్ ఆక్సిజన్, ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ సల్ఫ్యూరిక్ యాసిడ్. సో హౌ మచ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ సల్ఫ్యూరిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈజ్ ప్రొవైడెడ్? 49 grams. ఫస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద 49 grams is equal to how many moles? Formula is there, given weight by gram molecular weight. That means 1/2 moles అని మనం డిసైడ్ చేసాం. సో 49 grams of sulfuric acid is given to us, that is equal to 1/2 moles అన్నాం. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ దాట్ జస్ట్ బేసిక్ అప్రోచ్, చాలా వెరీ లిటిల్ బేసిక్ అప్రోచ్. 1 molecule of H2SO4 will have 4 atoms of oxygen. But ఓకే, దెన్ 1 mole of that means మనం డైరెక్ట్గా హాఫ్ మోల్కి వెళ్ళలేం కదా. ఓకే, రైట్. సి directly we are not going to calculate half mole, so that first we need to calculate for the 1 mole. 1 mole of H2SO4 will have 4 moles of oxygen atoms, right? Then half mole of H2SO4 will have 2 moles of oxygen atoms by 2, that's all, into 1/2 into 1/2, right? Okay, hope all of you have understood this these numericals, and hope you have got idea how to solve it. And now I would like to conclude the topic by giving you, okay, what is that called? By summarization of the relation of mole concept. By summarization of the relation of mole concept. Chuddam. Just volume mole relation I did not explain. See, Nana, let us consider, see here, 1 gram atom is equals to 1 gram atom is equals to, okay, ఇలా తర్వాత రాద్దాం ఇవన్నీ కూడా. 1 gram atom, 1 gram molecule, 1 gram molecular weight, 1 gram molecular weight, okay, and still Na of particles, may be atoms, may be molecules. Na of particles, Na means Avogadro number of particles. All these, Nana, see, either it is or this one or this one, still anything is there. Okay, see, gram molecular weight, 1 gram molecule, 1 gram atom, or gram molecular weight, okay, 1 gram atomic weight, 1 gram atomic weight. all are equal to 1 mole. Okay, note down this one. All are equal to 1 mole.